Okay, there seems to be something here. What is this? So I just received this package. I have no idea what it is. They didn't tell me who sent it. Let's try to open it. Hope it doesn't have bomb. Let's see. So I don't have any scissors. I'll have to do it the hard, messy way of doing things. Great. There you go. Right there. And right there. And you come on. What is there inside this thing, man? Jeez. Big box, damn. Whoa, 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 whoa. I think I see something inside. Let's see. Ouch. Come on. Tear it apart. Oh shit. Stuff on the sides. Jeez, man. Whoa, man. Look at that. Holy shit. Holy moly, there is my award from YouTube! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! YouTube! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Look at that! Oh damn! Oh wow! Look at that! Wow! You have done something very few people have accomplished it, but astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel, signed by CEO of YouTube. Oh! Alright, so let's go further. Oh wow, this is very exciting. Whoa, look at that. Sly Nerd silver play button. Oh my god, look at that. Damn. Oh wow, look at that. Finally the day I get to see this thing, huh? Whoa, let's pick it up. And there you go, Sly Nerd. Congratulations for surpassing 100,000 subscribers. Wow, straight from YouTube, huh?